Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 2 of first year class. As we have discussed our poem named as The Rain in our previous lecture, we have discussed how had the poet described the phenomena of nature by using different figures of speech, by using beautiful words in the poem. Now students, we will do its exercise. First of all, we have some MCQs. Who was drinking the rain? Now, as we have discussed in the poem, the leaves were drinking the rain. What was making the noise sweet? A guitar, a singer, drops of rain falling on leaves. It is very simple, drops of rain falling on leaves. It is making the noise very sweet. When did the sun comes out? When the rain would stop, the sun would come out. The round drops are brightened by they are brightened by sunshine. Then we have some statements which we are to tell, either they are true or false. The poet hears leaf drinking rain. First statement is the poet hears leaves drinking rain. It is true. The rain drops make the leaves rich. It is also true. Then we have the rain is also enjoyable by the poor. Definitely, the poor people also enjoy the rain. The sunshine darkens the round drops of rain. It is the false statement because it fills the light in every raindrop. The sunshine after the rain makes the scene lovely. Yes, the sunshine after the rain actually makes the scene lovely. So the statement is true. Students, then we are to add more rhyming words in each lines. As we have leave, we can add heave, eve. Then we have drop, crop, stop, mop. We can add any word. Then we have rain, gain, main. Then students, we are to write the critical appreciation of the poem. Students, we are to describe how the poem is enchanting for the poet, for the readers. As we see in the poem, the poet has discussed so many objects. He has discussed the rain, that is a natural action, that is a beautiful phenomena of nature. The raindrops are falling on the leaves and they are making them beautiful. So students, we will appreciate the poem. How can rainy day be enjoyed? So as we all know, to enjoy the rain is very much liked by everyone. So it is somehow uh, beautiful for the rich people, but when it creates a problem for the poor people, the rain is not liked. So how can in rainy day be enjoyed? Students, it can be enjoyed a lot. Explain the first stanza with reference to the context. Now students, as we see that what is described in the first stanza, the process of receiving water by the upper leaves first is described. The poet says that in the rain, the upper leaves, that he calls the rich leaves, they receive water first and then they give the remaining water after quenching their thirst to the lower leaves. Students, now there are some certain aspects in the poem that we are to discuss. That can be the part of your paper, that can be asked to you by the in your paper. Now, the writer of the poem. Who is the writer of the poem? As we have discussed, W.H. Davis is the writer of the poem. Rich leaves. Rich leaves इसमें कौन से हैं? The upper leaves that are receiving water first, they are the rich leaves. Poor leaves. Poor leaves are the leaves that receive water from the rich leaves. Means रिच लीव्स जो है वो अपनी प्यास बुझाने के बाद पानी जो है, रेन ड्रॉप्स जो है वो नीचे वाले लोअर लीव्स को दे देते हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड द पुअर लीव्स. इफेक्ट ऑफ रेन और पीपल ऑन पुअर लीव्स, यानी जो रेन का इफ़ेक्ट है, जिनको शायद जो है गरीब पत्ते कह रहा है, उन पे क्या असर है? उन पे डेफिनेटली यही है कि वो शायर जो है वो इसमें पर्सोनीफाई कर रहा है, उस इसमें वो गरीबों की मुश्किलात जो है उनको बता रहा है कि किस तरह उन्हें ज़िंदगी की सहूलियात जो हैं वो बाद में मिलती हैं. नाउ वी हैव म्यूज़िकल इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ रेन. द साउंड क्रिएटेड बाय द leaves of receiving water creates a musical effect on the poet's mind. He is so much attracted by this sound that he writes this poem. Means he likes nature so much. और जो शोर है बारिश का, उसको वो कह रहा है म्यूज़िकल इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ रेन. उसको वो म्यूज़िकल साउंड कह रहा है. शायर के लिए जो बारिश की आवाज़ है वो म्यूज़िक की तरह है. सन आफ्टर रेन. द पोइट इज सेइंग दैट when the rain stops and the sun comes out, it is a lovely sight. Means after so many hardships, the time of peace is very much attracted. It is very much useful. It is very much peaceful for the poor. Means मुश्किलात के बाद जो टाइम है वो, इसमें जो शायर जो है वो सूरज जो है उसको भी पर्सोनीफाई कर रहा है, यानी उसको वो सुकून का नाम दे रहा है. मुश्किलात के बाद जो सुकून हमें मिलता है उससे वो इसको कंपेयर कर रहा है. फीलिंग्स आफ्टर रेन. हाउ डज द पीपल फील आफ्टर द रेन? People feel very much good. The poet displays the lovely effect of rain. When the rain stops, people are very much happy. It is the time of so much pleasure for them because they have enjoyed a lot. Symbolic importance of rain. Now it is also an important question that what is the symbolic importance of rain? Definitely it is a blessing of Allah Almighty for the people. The symbol of rain is that the rich leaves in the poem, the rich leaves stand for the people who are very much rich, and the poor leaves stand for the poor people. The poet has personified the leaves by giving them the names rich and poor. He actually wants to show us the difficulties of the people. So rain has very much important symbol, that is of rich and poor. Then symbolic importance of sun. What is the symbolic importance of sun? The sun in the poem is the symbol of pleasure and joy. When it shines bright, the scene is very much beautiful for the poet, and it brings happiness for the poet, and people are very much happy when the sun comes out and bright. To a great extent the people are happy. So the sun in the poem also has a symbolic importance because it disappears the darkness and makes the environment very beautiful. So students, this was our lecture for today. You are to learn your questions related to the poem because they are the part of your paper. So students, thank you so much.